How to fix slow download speed on Steam. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix slow download speed on Steam. To do so, first of all, you need to open your Steam application on your device, and once you open it, here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here at the top left, you will find the Steam icon. Click on this Steam icon, and once you do so, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you need to select the Settings option. Click on Settings, and this pop-up window will appear. From this left sidebar, you need to select Downloads option here. Once you click on Downloads, now at the right side, you will find this Download section. Here, under Download region, you need to select a closer download server to improve the speed. At the right side, you will see the current location or the region. Here, you need to click on it, and from this drop-down, select the nearest server. Once you find the nearest server to you, you need to click on it, and once doing that, here a pop-up will appear. You will need to click on this Restart Now button right here, and then the application will be closed. You will need to open it again. After doing that, here you will need to ensure that the button at the right side of Limit Download Speed should be toggled off. Once you have done that, here you will need to allow this downloads during gameplay option. Click on the toggle button at the right side and it will get enabled. Now if this is enabled, it will initiate or continue downloading updates while you have a game or other Steam application running. After that, just below it, here you will be able to see total downloads while streaming. You will see the toggle button at the right side. Here you will need to disable it. If this option is enabled, simply click on it to disable. Once you have adjusted these settings, now here you will need to clear the download cache. Find the option Clear Download Cache, and at the right side, click on this Clear Cache button. Here a pop-up will appear. It says that this will clear all your local download cache and restart your Steam application. And then you will need to relog into your Steam account in order to continue. If you wish to do so, click on this Confirm button right here, and then the application will be closed. Now you can again click on the application to open it, and now again log into your account. By doing so, it will enhance the performance of your Steam application. These adjustments can help you boost your download speed. If it isn't working, you may also close the background applications. For that, in the search bar at the bottom, you can click on it and search for Task Manager. Once you find the Task Manager, here double click on it to open it. Once it opens, here you will find the background applications. To remove this background applications, you simply have to right click on it and then choose this End Task. By doing so, the application will be removed. You can do this in all the applications here, and this will help you to fix your download speed. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.